Using pinpointing. That's the subject of this segment of MLOtv Classroom. When you get a signal with your Explorer, it's very important to know exactly where that signal is in the ground before you dig it. The better you can pinpoint that signal, then the less chance of damaging it while recovering it, and of course, the smaller the hole has to be. Now, the easiest way to pinpoint with your Explorer is to use the pinpoint button on the control panel. Press the pinpoint button and swing the head slowly from side to side over the target. Then, while still moving the head from side to side, start moving it forward and backwards, listening for the strongest response. When you have found the loudest, strongest sound, the target will be directly below the centre of the coil. If you are not sure you have found the correct pinpoint position, you can turn your detector 90 degrees to check it. While swinging the head side to side, it's sometimes useful to imagine a vertical line intersecting the target at the loudest point. Then, as you move the head backwards and forwards, imagine a second horizontal line intersecting the target also at the loudest sound. Where these lines cross is where the target is pinpointed in the ground. There is another very simple way of pinpointing with a Minelab Explorer, and you don't need to push any buttons at all. You simply swing the head side to side while slowly moving the head backwards until you stop hearing the signal. At this point, the target will be immediately in front of the coil. You can also do this moving the coil forward. Of course, this will leave the find behind the coil. Of course, with experience, you'll probably be able to pinpoint with the Minelab Explorer just by listening to the sounds. But if you do find yourself digging bigger and bigger holes, then this could be a good sign that you aren't pinpointing correctly, and you should try to adopt one of the other methods. For more information like this, and a lot more besides, check out Minelab's website and the Minelab Owners Forum.